Hello, welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Focus ST diesel in Panther Black, in lovely condition, facelift model, smoke chrome alloy wheels, high level rear spoiler, lovely ST specification, good fuel economy, low insurance, boot area's lovely, rear parcel shelf, half leather seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, Recaro ST seats. It's only done 285 miles, starts up lovely, got all the boost gauges and everything there, media pack, touchscreen, satellite navigation, air conditioning, USB, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, Bluetooth connectivity, entertainment system with DAB. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.